The Japanese UV mapping system can be summed up in one beautiful word: efficient. They jam every single bit of detail they can in the smallest space possible, and in the next 60 seconds, you will too. Alright, let's do this. Rule number 1, do not make maps for faces that can't be seen. This might look fine from the outside, but if we look at the inside, we can see all sorts of crazy faces that don't need to be there. Delete anything and everything that can't be seen from the outside. Rule number 2, do not map the same object twice. If we were to make a map of the missile right now, you would see this mess, and it is completely unnecessary because the fins are repeated over and over. If your object is made up of smaller repeating objects, then delete them until there's only one left. Oh my god, look at that, my eyes can finally start breathing again. But not before I bestow upon you the final and most important rule of efficiency. If your object is the same on both sides, delete half of it and mirror it after you're done. Do not waste space. Delete the other half. There's no point in texturing the same thing twice. And look at that. Our map is now 17 times sexier than it ever was before, and we are finally ready to start fixing up our UV map. If you join me next tutorial, I will show you exactly where and how to do that. In the meanwhile, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.